Hello, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you're joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thanks for taking the time to click on yet another Bath & Body Works unboxing slash first impression slash online haul. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, as always, welcome on back. Hope you guys are all doing well. I know everybody's talking about fall for the past month or so now. I just want to say how weird it is for me to be talking about fall right now because first, I don't know if you can see outside, it's a beautiful day out here in Michigan. We were having kind of, I don't want to say cool weather because it wasn't, but cooler-ish weather. And then this weekend it got super warm, super muggy. So it's bizarre to me to be talking about fall fragrances, burning fall fragrances. But I did get my order in yesterday and you know I had to share it with you. I know a lot of you are doing your online shopping this weekend, so I wanted to get the video up and out. Before I dive into today's video, I do just want to mention this video should be going up on Sunday. At the time of filming, Bath & Body Works is doing an $11.95 candle sale. Keep in mind you do have to do the coupon code. It looks like it's use code COZY to get those $11.95 candles. That kind of sucks. It's kind of a bummer. If you have a 20% off coupon, you're not going to be able to use it. I wish they would just let you do multiple coupons. This order was obviously not purchased during the $11.95 sale. This was purchased last weekend when they had the 10 off sale, but I did use a 20% off coupon. So I'll go over all the price points with you guys as I get to the items. If you're here for just candles, before I dive into the unboxing, if you're here for just candles, check the description of my video. I've started doing timestamps. If you're here for just specific fragrances, certain candles, check the description. I'll have all the candle names and the timestamps. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some Wallflowers as well. So I'll have those timestamped in the description of the video as well. All right, you guys, you're here to see some goodies. You're here to see some fall fragrances. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. And we're going to dive into candles first. As always, before I do that, I do just want to mention, despite my box being all like, look at this, it was like completely torn and it was actually open. When it arrived on my porch, it was untaped and open. Really bizarre. But everything else inside was packaged very nicely. They had, step back a little bit, they had all the Wallflowers were still inside the holders and tons of packing, like packing bubbles and things like that. Also, what was really interesting is Bath & Body Works has updated their candle sleeves. So they're more so like a tiny little, almost candle box, which to me feels a lot more secure. So I don't know if any of you guys are getting these little candle boxes shipped to you. I don't know if this is like a backup thing, but it feels a lot more secure and a lot more durable to me than the little pop-up thin cardboard sleeves. So maybe they're doing this because a lot of people have been getting broken candles. So hats off to Bath & Body Works on that. Diving into the haul, I could have went crazy, you guys. I really could have bought a lot of candles, but I have so many already. I only wound up getting 2 3-wick candles. So with the price point on the sale, plus my 20% off coupon, my candles came to $11.60 a piece, and that's on the 3 wicks, because I did wind up grabbing some single wicks as well. So I got 2 of them. One of these boxes is empty because I'm burning right behind me one of the candles. So I wound up grabbing 2. This will not surprise any of you guys. I grabbed 2 fall farmhouses. I will be doing a review on this candle if you guys are interested. This came out last year. I was really surprised to see that this was an online only exclusive candle, but I'm having some of you guys mention in my comments that you are seeing fall farmhouse in your Bath & Body Works / White Barn store. So I don't know the method to the madness on that. But if you are wanting fall farmhouse and you're not near like a White Barn Bath & Body Works, you might want to just get it online. I feel like if any, it might be only the White Barn stores that are carrying fall farmhouse. This is such a beautiful scent. I love it. I was so happy to see it come back. Let me read you the scent notes. So the scent notes for fall farmhouse include spiced pumpkin, forest pine branch, and fresh fall air. This is the quintessential rustic home fragrance. It doesn't smell super pumpkin-y. If you're not a pumpkin fan, if you're like a rustic fragrance fan, definitely check this one out. I loved it so much I wanted to have it going when I'm doing my video. It's a cool weather candle though. To me, this is not like a transitional scent by any means. when you're burning this, you're gonna wanna be burning it during like cool weather. Really, really beautiful fragrance. That's why I grabbed 2 of them, and they're in the beautiful wraparound leaf packaging. As you can see it glowing right behind me. I love this collection. Now, if you guys are interested, you know I'm gonna wind up doing a review on this year's version, the fall 2020 fall Farmhouse version. That'll be coming soon. I do also have reviews up of a couple fragrances from this collection. I believe this leaf wraparound collection was called Welcome Home or Warm Welcome, something to that effect. I do have reviews up of Apple Weather and Pumpkin Bonfire from this collection. If you guys are interested, I'll throw the pictures up on the screen if you're looking for those reviews. Anyhow, I got 2 fall farmhouses. Kind of wish I would have gotten one more because I know I'm going to burn through these. Moving right along, I also got 2 single wick candles. They were on sale, 2 for $20, so $10 a piece, plus the 20% off coupon. Brought them obviously to $8 a piece. Let me show you what ones I got. And I did cheat a little bit on these because I did burn one of these. I've seen everyone talking about this one. I haven't seen it in stores. I looked at 2 Bath & Body Works and it looks like it's like an online only thing. It's not in 3-wick form either. This is the Pumpkin Spice Latte. I don't know why it didn't come out in 3-wick form. I don't know, but it's only in single wick form so far that I've seen. I did just check online before I recorded this video and I didn't see it in 3-wick. And I will be doing a review on this one. And I think I know why it probably didn't make it to 3-wick form. That's all I'll say. I did obviously burn this. I did a test run on it and I will have a review coming. The scent itself is very, very nice. Let me read you the scent notes. The scent notes for Pumpkin Spice Latte include fresh espresso, pumpkin pie. It actually says pumpkin pie space, S-P-A-C-E. Swear to God, it says pumpkin pie space. I'm assuming they mean pumpkin pie spice, whipped cream, and sprinklings of cinnamon sugar. What does it smell like? To me, it smells like, if you guys smelled the newest hand soap from Bath & Body Works, the I Love You a Latte. It's just like a standard espresso fragrance. Kind of smells like that with a little bit of like a warm, not even semi-spicy accent, just like a little bit of warmth. That's what this smells like. This thing drives me nuts because the scent is good, but it's so light. It's so light on cold. I can't even smell the wax. The only way I was getting fragrance was from the lid. So maybe this was like a scent they were gonna try to put out earlier this season, or they were testing it for the collection and it just didn't do well. So they wound up just scratching and not even doing it in a 3-wick form, and they just put them out in single wicks. The scent is nice, but it's just very, very light. I will still be doing a review on this one for those of you who are interested. So that is the Pumpkin Spice Latte single wick right there. I have a feeling it'll probably be going back to the store. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it another try. I got one more single wick for you. This will not surprise any of you guys. I just want to grab an extra. I love the, I like the single wicks from Bath & Body Works. I like to put them in my Hurricanes, and I also like them in the bathroom. I just like the size. If you don't want like a giant candle going, or like as a secondary fragrance to have going. And of course I grabbed Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I was torn between Pumpkin Pecan Waffles and then also just grabbing an Autumn, but I'll be using this for the rest of August, like the bakery type scents. So I decided to grab a Gourmand instead of like a fall apple-y type scent. I'll probably wind up buying Autumn later in the season. Let me read you the notes for Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. The notes include maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. I'm sure all of you know what this smells like, so I really don't need to go into detail. It's just the quintessential yummy fall fragrance. Really, really good one. If you guys are interested, I will do a review on the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles single wick if you are interested. I know I've done reviews of the 3-wick Pumpkin Pecan Waffles this season, so if you're interested, let me know, and I will do a follow-up review on the single wick version as well, because I know there's some of you out here who do enjoy the single wicks just like I do. All right, and that is it on the candles. Like I said, I could have went crazy with the candles, but I showed restraint. I already have too many candles, and to be honest, I've only been buying what I'm gonna burn. I'm not doing like the stockpiling candles anymore unless it's a scent I really, really like. But even then I'm kind of hard pressed. So that's it on the candles. Moving on to Wallflowers. These were on a 5 for $25, if I'm not mistaken. Had to have been because I got 5 of them. And then I obviously had my 20% off coupon. The final price point per Wallflower was $3.83, I believe. I think it was $3.83 or $3.84. Yes, $3.84 a piece. So not the best deal, not the worst deal. I would have liked to have had a $3.50 sale and been able to use the 20% off on top of that, but I needed Wallflowers. Let me show you what I got. So I got a couple ones that I've used before. So I obviously grabbed another pumpkin pecan waffles. I'm using this right now in some of my warmers. So I wanted one for the rest of the season, the rest of the month. Let me read you the notes. The notes are maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. Just the same as the single wick, I think. They don't have brown sugar listed in this one. I will say I've already used the Wallflower of pumpkin pecan waffles this season, this month, and it's pretty true to the actual candle. Sometimes they can differ a little bit. This is one of those ones where it's, of course, strong off the bat, and after a couple weeks or so, it does start to dissipate, but I love it, so I wound up grabbing another one. And then I grabbed another repeat scent, and then these other 3 I'm excited to share with you guys. These are all newbies, but I grabbed an autumn. I'll be using this once I start doing my apple fragrances. Always been a huge, huge fan of autumn. For those of you who aren't familiar, the notes of autumn are gala apple, juicy fig, and eucalyptus leaf. This one's just a really crisp, kind of semi-bright fall fragrance. It's just the epitome of like a breathtaking, bright fall fragrance. It's got a little bit of a sharpness to it. I've always enjoyed autumn, so I will use this a little bit later on in the fall, probably in September when I switch over to more apple type fragrances. And I was excited to share these 3 with you guys because these are scents I have not used before at all. This first one might surprise you guys. This is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. I don't ever remember using this ever in a candle. I don't ever remember using it in a Wallflower. And I think that's because, I don't think it's because I didn't like the scent. I think it's because there were so many other options. Let me read you the notes and then I'm gonna do a first sniff impression on this one. So the notes for Caramel Pumpkin Swirl are luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, and creamy vanilla. So let's see. I know I've smelt it before. It's good. I will use this one now since I'm burning like bakery type scents, gourmand scents right now. I will definitely put this in my warmers. This one is strong. If you guys are interested in Instagram follow-ups on any of these Wallflowers, leave it in the comments below because I will do an Instagram follow-up on some of these if you guys are interested. This one smells like a Starbucks drink. To me, this smells like the caramel drizzle at Starbucks that goes on top of your coffee. That's what this smells like. It's a very sharp, very, very caramel type fragrance. I don't even get any pumpkin out of that. It's just like straight sugary caramel. I was so happy that they came out with a Paris Cafe Wallflower plug. How exciting is that? This one's going right in the kitchen. Let me read you the notes for Paris Cafe. Notes include rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla creme. I do enjoy this candle. It can be a bit much sometimes. You have to burn it in moderation, but I love the Paris Cafe candle. This smells very true to the candle. Sometimes you know how Wallflowers can be like kind of wonky and they don't always smell exactly the same. At least on cold, this smells very, very similar to Paris Cafe. Again, if you guys want Instagram follow-ups, I will absolutely do them for you. This one I will be using in my kitchen. And I have one more, and this is going to probably surprise you guys, but I got this for a specific reason. And I don't know if this is a new scent. I don't know if this has ever been out in a candle, but it was intriguing to me, so I grabbed it. White Barn label, Laundry Day. Let me read you the notes and then I'll tell you what I think. So the notes for Laundry Day include fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, and soft lavender. I actually wanted a Wallflower for in my like laundry room and then also in the walk-in closet because there's an outlet in there and it can get stuffy. So I wanted something that wasn't bakery or foodie, something clean and fresh to go in there. So I grabbed this. This is really nice. For those of you who like clean fresh, that's not quite, I know it's called Laundry Day. This isn't quite like downy laundry though. It's got a little bit of, I don't get overly lavender. I can see a tinge of lavender, but it's not like a powdery lavender at all. It's like that crisp eucalyptus, I think, that's in there, and then fresh air. It's very, very strong. This is very, very strong. So this would be perfect for laundry room, linen room, or even like a closet. I'm planning on putting it in the walk-in closet. I'm actually really excited to try this one. If you guys are interested, I will absolutely do Instagram follow-ups on Laundry Day. Leave in the comments below. I don't know if Laundry Day's ever been a candle. I don't know if this is a new fragrance or not, but it was intriguing to me, so I got it, and I will do follow-ups on it for you guys if you are interested. And you guys, that is actually it for me today on my Bath & Body Works online haul. If you have used any of these fragrances, leave it in the comments below. Let me know which ones are your favorites, or let me know what you guys are burning right now. Before I sign off, I also want to mention to you, I'm on Instagram, so if you're on there, come find me at life, LIFE_with, WITH_L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, vendor wax. If you're into vendor wax, I'm still doing vendor wax videos. So if you're on there, come find me. That is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, an awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. And until next time, we'll see you later.